Hey there. Another mildly retro video, but it's part 2 because I swapped some stuff on this bike, and I want to show you the seat, but not a big deal. But it's a really nice seat, and the Easton front rear. And I took off the Duke because it failed, and I had to fix it, which I have, but it's not fixed properly, so I have to wait until I can actually fix it properly. And I had to throw this on there, which is, oddly enough, not too much heavier. It's like a 0.3 pounds heavier than the Duke that was on it. And this is an SR Suntour MG 91, which is actually pretty good and reliable. It's just a little heavy, but oh boy, like like you don't really have to worry about it. It'll always work. And the Duke was an air fork that failed a little bit, so. And then I also wanted to show this because I upgraded this with XDR brakes front and rear, and to show you how when this is squeezed like this, which they are installed as, that means I have to change the spacers from the outside to the inside to make them wider, and I didn't do that. I just put them in like that, but I was going to change it, but I didn't because I wanted to show people that it's as simple as that. Like the spacers on V-brakes are like longer and shorter front and fore and aft, and if you swap them, you get that extra ability to make them wider, to make them work more properly. And as of here, which they are correctly installed. So anyway, so I hope that's okay to just ramble about this bike for a part 2, and thanks for listening, and cheers.